In this video, I will show you how to work in single crochet through the front loop of your stitches. This creates a neat ridge on the side of your work that's facing away from you. Today, I'll be using WOOLANDTHEGANG's Ra-Ra Raffia yarn in the Desert Palm colourway and a 4.5mm crochet hook. Let's get started. To begin with, I've worked a couple of rows of single crochet, as you can't work this technique directly into the foundation chain. As this technique is based on single crochet, you'll start out by working your turning chain, which is one chain stitch, and working into the second chain from the hook. So we're going to go into here, and I'm just going to go underneath that first strand, leaving out the back strand, and work a single crochet stitch as normal. So let's see that again. You can see that you've got your two strands. I'm just going to go underneath the front loop. And again, just through that front loop. And after repeating this a few times, if you turn and look at the back of your work, or the side that's facing away from you, you should be able to see that you're getting a neat ridge forming. And these are all the back loops of your stitches which you're not crocheting. So just keep on repeating these steps until you reach the end of your row. And now that you've reached the end of your row and worked that final stitch through the front loop, if you turn your work around, you should be able to spot that neat ridge that you formed. As I said before, that's just the back loops which you didn't crochet. So there you have it. That's how to work through the front loop of your stitches when working in single crochet.